In today's video, I'll show you how to create a hierarchy in Tableau, a simple but powerful way to organize your data so you can easily drill down into details or roll up into summaries. Let's get started. Open Tableau desktop or log in through your browser. Once you're in, head over to the workbook where you want to build your hierarchy and open a worksheet. Now take a look at the data pane on the left side. This is where all your data fields are listed. Identify the fields you want to organize, for example, country, state and city. Here's the fun part. To create a hierarchy, just drag one field on top of another. For instance, drag city onto state. Tableau will automatically create a hierarchy nesting city under state. You can keep adding more fields to this hierarchy, like state under country, to build multiple layers. When prompted, give your hierarchy a clear descriptive name, something like geography hierarchy. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Tableau tutorials. Once the hierarchy is created, you'll see plus and minus icons next to the hierarchy name in your visualization. Clicking the plus expands your data into detailed levels and the minus collapses it back into a summarized view. And that's it. You've successfully created a hierarchy in Tableau. With just a few drags, you've made your data much easier to explore and analyze. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Tableau tips and guides.